Hi, Lisa. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Hi, Jack. Yes, the sky is so clear today.
I love it when the sun shines like this.
Me too. It makes me want to go for a walk.
Do you often go for walks on sunny days?
Yes, especially in the park near my house.
That sounds nice. I usually go in the evening.
Evening walks are great too, especially in summer.
Do you like summer?
A little, but sometimes it's too hot for me.
I get that. Hot weather makes me sleepy.
What about winter?
I like winter when it's not too cold.
I enjoy drinking hot chocolate in winter.
That's the best. Do you get snow here?
Not often, maybe once or twice a year.
I wish we had more snow. I've never built a snowman.
Really? You should try it. It's fun.
I will someday. By the way, do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, I usually check it in the morning,
Me too. It helps me choose what to wear.
especially when it might rain.
I forgot my umbrella last week. Got soaked.
Oh no, I always carry a small umbrella.
That's smart. I should do that too.
The weather changes so quickly these days.
Yes, this morning was cold, but now it's warm.
It's good to be ready for anything. See you in the next video.